Welcome to today's class on vector analysis. Today we discuss algebra rules for gradients. First we prove the constant multiple rule. Del kf is equal to k del f for any number k. Let f of x, y, z be a differentiable function defined over an open region R of the space. Then del kf equal to I dou by dou x of kf plus j dou by dou y of kf plus k dou by dou z of kf. So this is equal to k into I dou f by dou x plus k into j dou f by dou y plus k into vector k dou f by dou z. So this is k into I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. This is equal to k into del f. So this proves the constant multiple rule. Now we prove the sum rule. To del f plus g equal to I into dou by dou x of f plus g plus j into dou by dou y of f plus g plus k into dou by dou z of f plus g. So that is equal to I dou f by dou x plus I dou g by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus j dou g by dou y plus k dou f by dou z plus k dou g by dou z. So that is equal to I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z plus I dou g by dou x plus j dou g by dou y plus k dou g by dou z. So this is equal to del f plus del g. Now you can prove difference rule by similar arguments, and that is a homework for you. Now we prove product rule. Del f g equal to I dou by dou x of f g plus j dou by dou y of f g plus k dou by dou z of f g, where f and g are functions of three variable defined and differentiable over the region R of the space. Now you can apply product rule So this is equal to I into dou f by dou x g plus f into dou g by dou x plus j into dou f by dou y into g plus f into dou g by dou y plus k into dou f by dou z into g plus f into dou g by dou z. So this is equal to I dou f by dou x into g plus j dou f by dou y into g plus k dou f by dou z into g, taking first terms together, plus I into f dou g by dou x plus j into f dou g by dou y plus k into f dou g by dou z. So that is equal to I into dou f by dou x plus j into dou f by dou y plus k into dou f by dou z into g plus f into I dou g by dou x plus j dou g by dou y plus k dou g by dou z. So this is equal to del f into g plus f into del g, or you can write this as f into del g plus g into del f. So this proves the product rule. Now we prove the quotient rule. So we have del f by g equal to I dou by dou x of f by g plus j dou by dou y of f by g plus k dou by dou z of f by g. So that is equal to I into, using the quotient rule, you have g dou f by dou x minus f dou g by dou x divided by g square plus j into, again applying quotient rule here, g dou f by dou y minus f dou g by dou y divided by g square plus k into g dou f by dou z minus f dou g by dou z divided by g square. So that is equal to, take the terms containing g together, you will get 1 by g square into g into I dou f by dou x plus G into J dou F by dou Y plus G into K dou F by dou Z minus, take the terms containing F together, minus 1 by G square into F into I dou G by dou X plus F into J dou G by dou Y plus F into K dou G by dou Z. So this is equal to 1 by G square into G into I dou F by dou X plus J dou F by dou Y plus K dou F by dou Z minus 1 by G square into F into I dou G by dou X plus J dou G by dou Y plus K into dou G by dou Z. So this is equal to 1 by G square into G into this quantity is del F minus 1 by G square into this quantity is del G, F into del G. So that is equal to G del F minus F del G divided by G square. So this proves the quotient rule. Now we do some problems. We do this problem. Illustrate algebra rules for gradients with f of xy is equal to x minus y and g of xy is equal to 3y. So we have to verify all these rules. So first we verify constant multiple rule. Let k be any number. Now kf is kx minus ky. Do you know del f equal to dou f by dou x I plus dou f by dou y j. Here it is a function of two variables. So this is equal to I minus j. Del g equal to gradient of g is equal to dou g by dou x I plus dou g by dou y j. So this is 3j. Now del kf is del of kx minus ky. This is equal to I dou by dou x of kx minus ky plus j dou by dou y of kx minus ky. So that is equal to I into k minus j into k. So this is k into I minus j. You know that I minus j is del f. So this is k times del f. Now you can verify some rule. Del f plus g equal to del of f is x minus y plus g is 3y. So this is equal to del of x minus 2y. So this is I dou by dou x of x minus 2y plus j dou by dou y of x minus 2y. So that is equal to I into 1 plus j into minus 2. So this is I minus 2j. So that is equal to I minus j plus 3j. And you know that I minus j is del f. So this is del f plus 3j is del g. So this verifies the sum rule. Now we can verify the product rule. The quotient rule will be a homework for you. Similarly, difference rule is also a homework for you. You can do difference rule and quotient rule as homeworks. We have del f equal to I minus j and del g equal to 3j. F into g equal to x minus y into 3y. So that is equal to 3xy minus 3y square. So del fg equal to I dou by dou x of 3xy minus 3y square plus j dou by dou y of 3xy minus 3y square. So this is equal to I into derivative of 3xy minus 3y square, treating y as a constant, is 3y, plus j into dou by dou y of 3xy minus 3y square, treating x as a constant. So this is 3x minus 6y. So this is I into 3y plus 3x minus 6y into j, or this is equal to 3yi plus 3x minus 6yj. So this is equal to 3yi plus 3x minus 3y minus 3yj. So this is equal to 3yi minus 3yj plus 3x minus 3yj. So this is equal to 3y into I minus j plus x minus y into 3j. You know that 3y is g. So this is g into, you know that I minus j is del f. So this is del f plus, you know, x minus y is f into, you know, 3j is del g. So this is del g. So this is g del f plus f del g. So this verifies the product rule. Now we can do quotient rule as a homework. So that's all for the day. Have a nice day.